What's up guys, it's me again Luis, and for today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to download Ubuntu 20 in your Virtualbox. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is that you need to go to virtualbox.org website, and I'm going to be providing the link down below the description for you to find this. And then you will select the platform packages according to your operating system. So in my case, I have Windows, so just select this one. And then after that, you will go to the Ubuntu website, which I'm gonna be providing the link down below again for you to find this. And then you need to select your ISO image file. So just scroll down and you will see this Ubuntu desktop ISO image file. So I have already downloaded the VirtualBox and ISO image of my Ubuntu. So let's now proceed going to our VirtualBox. Okay. So just select this one, and then after that you will click the new button, and then I'm gonna name it as Ubuntu 20. And then select your ISO image file, which I have here in the downloads. And then after that, you will click the skip unattended installation. Then click next. And then for the hardware and base memory, I'm just gonna leave this as 2048 megabytes. And then click next. And as for virtual hard disk, I'm just gonna leave this as well. And then click next. And then this is the summary of your configuration. And then click finish. So after that, you can see now here your Ubuntu. So just click the start button. So our VirtualBox now starting. Okay, so now you will see this install tab, and now you can select your language here. And in my case, I would choose the English one, and then you will click this install Ubuntu. And then for the language, still English, then just click continue button. And then for the updates and other software, just choose the normal installation, and that will updates while installing Ubuntu. So for the installation type, just click the erase list and install Ubuntu. Then click install now. So right change to this, just click continue. So now you will choose or select the location that you are on. So in my case, I'm here at the Philippines, Manila. So click continue. And now we need to fill up this form. So just write your name. And then you will choose your password. Then after filling this up, click continue. So as you can see, this pop-up shows and it says installation complete. Now select the start now button. So after seeing this message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Just close this window and then select the power off machine and click OK. And then you need to select your Ubuntu again, and then you should click the start button. So let's just wait for this to show. Oops. Okay, so click the Start Now button. Just exit this one, and then just click the Ubuntu, then press enter. So now you can see your user, which in my case I have mine as Luis. So just click this user and then enter your password. Then after that, hit enter key. Now you have your Ubuntu up and running, so just skip this part and then click next. Then click, then no, just click this radio button. No, don't set system info. Then click next. Then click next again, and now you're ready to go. Done. So now you have here your Ubuntu 20 version, and as you can see, it's not on full screen mode yet. So in order to full screen this window, you just click select or the devices and then insert guest edition CD image. And then as you can see this pop-up window, so just click the run, and then the password is required to be entered, so just enter your password. So again, you just enter your password. So do you wish to continue? Just click yes. Now you can see the message, please return to close this window. Just hit enter. Just hit that. And then just hit this X. And now let's see if we can try to full screen this window. And then now switch. And there you have it. You have here your full screen mode of Ubuntu 20 version. So let's now try to explore what does Ubuntu 20 have. So they have their web browser here. Let's check this out. So it's just the same as we have on our web browser. Let's see the YouTube. So this is the YouTube of Ubuntu. It's the same as ours. Let's try to explore more of their applications. So yeah, the camera, this is a game, the videos, and more any other games. And this is the terminal. So I hope you like the Ubuntu 20 because so far this is really looking good. And there you have it. So you have finally installed Ubuntu into your Virtualbox. And I hope you learned something in today's video. So hit that like button, comment, and share this video. And see you in my other tutorials. Bye!